Alright, so this video is for A cohort students. It is either Thursday, October 8th or Friday, October 9th, depending on which hour you are in. But I just wanted to make a quick video to explain to you what you need to do and also explain what this essay check form is. So, if you scroll down to the bottom of our agenda here, A cohort, you're going to do this on your own. You are going to first watch this video, which I will link here when I'm done recording. Then you are going to finish typing everything into your essay document. So your essay organizer should be done. You finished that in class either Monday or Tuesday whenever you saw me. So you're going to take everything that you have not yet moved to your essay document from your essay organizer here. So it should just be your paragraph 3 and your conclusion. And you are going to copy and paste everything over into your essay. So again, you're taking everything that was blue from your essay organizer that you added, you're copying and pasting it into your essay document, and you are putting together your essay. So once you finish doing that, I'm going to highly recommend you do split screen and you have your essay document, your essay, up on one side of your screen, and you have this essay check form on the other side. I am going to go through what this essay check form is now. So it says, use this form to check your essay and make edits. As you complete this form, have your essay up and make edits to it. As I just said, split screen. This is a way to critically analyze your essay and find any remaining errors before submitting. So this beginning part, just put your first and last name, what hour you have class. Please put your last name. What was the most challenging thing about this essay? Fill in the blank here. And then here's where we really get to the meat of what this is. So what this is it's basically like a very expansive checklist that goes through your essay step by step, paragraph by paragraph. So what you're going to do is you're going to follow the instructions, and it's going to ask you if you have a part. You're going to find that part in your essay, ensure that you have it, make sure it makes sense, and then you'll check this off. So this might take a while because if you find a mistake on your essay, I want you to fix your essay before you check this off. So for example, it says introduction paragraph. Read your introduction paragraph. So you'll follow the steps. You'll read your paragraph. Then check that your introduction paragraph has the following. If it is missing something, fix it before checking the box and submitting this form. This form is like your last step before submitting your essay. This is like what you need to do to make sure that your essay is perfect, it has no mistakes, and that everything is ready to go and be submitted to me. So first, it'll say, my essay starts with 2 sentences about characterization. You'll double check that your essay has the following, and then you will check it off. If it doesn't, you will add that before you check it off. Then, I have a thesis statement where I introduce my character and what movie, book, show, etc. they are from. You'll make sure you have it, you'll check it off. I've indented my paragraph. You'll double check that you have it, you'll check it off. If you don't have it, you will first indent and then check it off. I have capital letters where they need to be in appropriate punctuation. You'll double check all your grammar and punctuation stuff. Once it's perfect, you will check it off and you will move to this next part. It says, introduction. What is one thing you fixed about your introduction as you completed the checklist on the previous question? If you did not need to fix anything, type nothing. So let's say, for example, when I was going through my introduction paragraph, I realized that I only had 1 sentence about characterization, so I added a second. So in this question, I would say, what is one thing I fixed about my introduction? I added a second characterization sentence. Oops. See if I can spell here. There we go. So that's all you need to say. You need to tell me what you fixed. Let's say when you did the checklist and read your essay, or read your first body paragraph, it was perfect. Just type the word nothing in here then. That signals to me that your paragraph was good. And when you went through the checklist, there was nothing you needed to fix. Then you will repeat all those steps moving forward. Body paragraph 1, there's more steps because the paragraph is longer, so go through slowly and then tell me what you fixed, and so forth. There is a checklist and a short answer question for every single paragraph. So that is what you need to do today. Note here on the bottom, note the essay organizer, the essay document, the essay check form, and therefore your final essay, right? Because your final essay is the essay document. All of that is due Tuesday, October 13th at 11:59 p.m. You might be wondering, Hench, why is it due Thursday at 11:50, or why is it due Tuesday? Well, next week you're not going to come to class. Remember, it's MEA. You will have an assignment on Monday or Tuesday, depending on what hour you're going, or what hour you're in. But I just wanted to give you guys a little extra time to Tuesday, October 13th. I just wanted to give you a little extra time in case you are behind, in case you missed a day of school and you're behind, in case you're quarantined and you're behind, or just if you needed a little extra time. But feel free to turn in everything today if you do finish it. But please do not submit that essay document until everything's perfect. Yeah, any questions? Please let me know, but I won't see you for a while here, so enjoy your MEA break and check back Monday or Tuesday for your assignment and make sure that essay is turned in when it needs to be.